Hello friends, welcome to Himanshi's World, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple sponge cake. And for this recipe you will need 4 eggs, 1 cup of plain flour and it's refined flour maida, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, dry fruits and candies of your choice, it's optional, and pineapple essence. So let's start making sponge cake. Sponge cake recipe, you will need a bowl, clean and dry. There should be no moisture, and I will break all of the 4 eggs in this bowl. And now we'll add all the sugar, 1 cup of sugar in this. After this we'll beat this. So I am here using a whipping machine. So let's whip the eggs. So let's whip the eggs. I have a blender here, whipping machine here, and I will whip the egg. So as you can see, we have whipped the eggs, but it's halfway done. So at this point I will add 1 pinch of salt in this. It will ease the process of whipping the eggs. So we will add 1 pinch of salt. So let's start whipping again. So as you can see that I have whipped the eggs, and now let's start making the cake. You can use wooden spatula. I am here using steel spatula. It should be flat like this, and then I will just use a little by little this refined flour. Be gentle at this stage, because we do not want the air bubbles to go away. We want all the air bubbles, and some milk also. Keep adding some milk, and then the flour. And keep adding the flour until you end up with all the flour in the batter. Some more milk. some more milk, and all of the refined flour, maida. Mix some more milk. At this point, I'll add a few drops of pineapple essence in this cake mixture. You can use orange essence, you can use rose essence, whichever you like. I'm here using pineapple essence. And mix it properly. So our cake batter is ready. Now we'll have to bake this. So for baking the cake, I have used here this heart shaped baking mold, and I will grease it with some oil. You can use butter or ghee, whatever you like. I will oil this properly, all the sides. You should cover all the sides, because if you are not covering all the sides, it will stick to the pan, baking pan. Properly grease it, and then I will dust it with some plain flour. It's refined flour, so I will dust it with some plain flour and shake it like this, so it will spread evenly on all sides. So as you can see that our pan is ready. Now we pour all of the mixture in this pan. Be gentle, do not hurry up at this stage. Be really very gentle. I'll scrape all the sides and so I have prepared the cake tin. Now I will bake it. For baking this cake, I am here using this OTG oven, and I have set it on 170-degree temperature, and even on both sides, you can see, and for 25 minutes. So let's start making this cake. I will put this cake in the oven. As you can see that I have put in the cake tin, and oven should be preheated. So it will take 25 minutes for the cake to properly bake, and on halfway we'll be adding all the dry fruits on top of the cake. So as you can see that our cake is halfway done. It's not cooked properly, so we'll sprinkle some dry fruits and candies on top. Be careful, it's so hot. So let's bake the cake once again. Hey guys, so as you can see, after 25 minutes our cake is being made. We'll check. It's made. So we'll cool it and serve it. So as you can see that our cake is now done. We'll cut this. And as you can see, our sponge cake is really ready. So enjoy.